Hey there, it's KB and you are watching KB Editing Show. So today in this video we are going to create a motion graphics using pixellab and KineMaster. The first part will be based on the designing and the second part will be based on animating. So I have already made a video on the graphic designing episode 1. If you haven't checked that video, you can check it. I will give the link in the description and also in the I button. So for now, let's start this video. Open your pixellab application and go to the three dot on the top right, and you can see there is image size option. So I am adding the custom sizer and the ratio is about 4:5. So we will be creating the post in 4:5 ratio. So now you can see there is a double square option on the bottom right. Then go to this color option and choose the background color. So if you want to use this color, then you can use this color code. So now let's add the branding name. I'm using this text layer, so I'm writing the name here. So now go to the A option and scroll down and see the font option and choose the font. After adding the font, scroll down and find the spacing option. So this spacing option will increase the space between the letters, so I will increase the little spacing between the letters. So now scroll up and you can see there is a copy option and copy this text layer. Now we are going to edit this text layer and add another text here. So I am creating a post for online store. So similarly you can write the text here. Now go to the color option and choose the color for the text. So I am choosing the black color here. After choosing the color, now we are going to choose the font. So I am choosing the handwriting type of font for this text. So I will give the link of the fonts in the description so you can use the font. So now we are going to add the PNG. So go to the plus option and from gallery option and add the PNG. So I will give the link of this PNG in the description so you can use it. So now adjust the PNG. So after adjustment, go to the layer option and you can find an option on the bottom left. So click that and you have to tick all the layer, and you can find there is a third option. So click that and merge the layer. Now we will adjust this branding name in the top left. Now again go to the plus option and from gallery option, and we are going to add the social media icons here. So I will also give this link in the description. Now let's add a PNG of a girl here. So go to the gallery option and add a PNG. So I am adding one more PNG here. So for this I am skipping the video. So now go to the plus option and shapes option, and we are going to add a circle shape here. So go to the shapes option and choose the circle shape. Now adjust in this position and decrease the capacity. So I will choose the capacity about 60%. So now go to the hexagon option and send this shape to the back. So I am adding one more circle shape here. So for this I am fast forwarding the video. So adjust this circle in this position. So now you can adjust everything properly here. So I am adjusting. Now let's add all the text layer for our post. So now go to the plus option and text option and write the text here. After adding the text, go to the A option and font option and choose the font for the text. So I am choosing the golden bold font here. So after that, scroll up and find the color option and choose the color for the text. Now adjust the text here. After adjustment, scroll up and you can see there is a copy option. Copy this text layer and edit this text layer and add another text here. Similarly, you can choose the font and the color for the text. So for now I am skipping this part because the video will be too long. So now select the first text layer and scroll down and find the line spacing option. After that, decrease the value. So I am keeping here about -3. Now I am copying this text layer and adding another text here. After adding the text, now let's add the font here. Scroll down and find the font option and choose the font for your text. Now adjust this text in this position. Now let's add color to our text. So find the color option and add the color to the text. So now choose the color. Now let's add a rectangle shape here. So go to the plus option and shapes option and choose this shape. Now go to the color option and choose the black color for the shape and make rectangle shape like this. Now adjust the shape like this. So now go to the plus option and add a text layer here. So I am writing the website name here. So for this I am fast forwarding the video. So now I am adding 2 more text layer here. So I am skipping this part to make the video length short. So I have added 2 text layer here, mega sale and 40% off. Now we are going to add a shape here. Go to the plus option and shapes option. Now choose black color for our shape. So adjust the shape like this. So now adjust the shape in this position. Adjusting the shape, go to the hexagon option and copy this shape and adjust in this position. So now scroll down and find the position option and adjust the shape properly. So now our post is almost ready. Now we are going to add the location here. Now go to the A option and font option and choose the font for the text. After adding the font, now adjust the text in this position. Now you can adjust everything to the proper position. So I am adjusting here. After adjustment, hide all the layer. After hiding all the layer, go to the SD card option and save as image and save this background only. Now go to the double square option and make the background transparent. Now show one layer and save this layer. After saving this layer, hide this layer and show another layer and save this layer again. Now go to the layer option and show another layer and save this layer. So you have to follow this procedure again and again to save all the layers. So in this way we can design our graphics. So in the part 2 we will animate this using KineMaster. So if you like my content, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next part. Thank you for watching.